lookalikes, you want to pull probably the first 30 to 40. You want to pull up your competitors. You want to pull up companies that look like you, and you can cross-reference those interests. And then what we do is we take that data and we run marketing to each interest at $5 a day. We're running ads at $5 a day to those different interests, as well as those lookalike audiences, as well as retargeting. And we have KPIs based off what our sales should be and the return that we want. And I set up a dashboard where I look at these KPIs, and I basically become a Facebook day trader. So I've got all these interests running, and I look at my KPIs on a dashboard that I've set up here, and I can look at what interests and what audiences are converting within KPIs. I can up the spend on those, and then I can turn off the ones that aren't working. And it's incredibly effective and incredibly powerful. The thing is, you gotta do it every day. It's granular. This is not a shotgun approach. This approach is very specific. That's why it's targeted marketing.